Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2016 Kawasaki Vulcan S with ABS brakes. This 650cc twin-cylinder cruiser just arrived with only 12,800 miles. It's got the windscreen, adjustable levers, mechanical cruise, running lights up on the front, and ABS brakes, as I said. You can grab the passenger seat if you want to go two up on this gorgeous Vulcan S. It's got a really cool matte black and silver finish. Nice low miles. Make your Vulcan S dreams come true for just $69.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.